Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. You are in for a special treat today because I am going to be showing you guys how to bulk create 50 different t-shirt designs that you can use for the holidays. We all know Christmas is coming up. You got Thanksgiving, we got birthdays, New Year's, and a lot of family members like to use the family quote t-shirt themed, shirts for the holidays. So I'm going to show you how we're going to bulk create those utilizing Canva and ChatGPT. I love using ChatGPT and it has helped me out so much when I'm stuck on, different quotes or different things to use for my business. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it and you can use it too. So just stick around and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna hop over to Etsy. I like to come here for t-shirt inspiration just to get some general ideas of what I want to use for my designs. And I know that I want this to be centered around Christmas. And there are a lot of different Christmas t-shirts that have been used that are very, very popular on Etsy. And I'm just going to type in Christmas t-shirt just to see what we come up with that we can actually use to bulk create. This one right here is a very popular one that you could use most likely to, because the last phrase is something that's going to change over and over, but your main base phrase is most likely to. So you could change this up like they have most likely to eat Santa's cookies, most likely to shake the gifts, most likely to drink Santa's beer. Just, you can come up with different end quotes to match the theme of most likely to. So that's what I want to try to replicate, but just in a different way so that it's something different, something unique that you're not going to find on Etsy. Okay. Another way to kind of find like some of the star sellers or best sellers, if you come up here and click on all filters and scroll down to where you see star seller, it's going to give you all the t-shirt results that have like high ratings that people have used. So that's a little trick that you could use if you're searching for something that a lot of people have been requesting. Okay. So if I put up here, let's say I wanted to use Christmas wishes. Christmas wishes. And you got to be a little specific on here. Christmas wishes t-shirt. Okay, so you have winter wishes and snowflake kisses. So you could use something like this to bulk create. You could use, here's another, gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. Winter kisses and snowflake wishes. So you see there's several different ones that kind of use the same phrase. And so that's what I think we're going to go with. We're going to go with Christmas wishes, and then we'll just change the ending to something different. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into ChatGPT so that I can ask them to generate me 50 different friendly family t-shirt designs using that phrase Christmas wishes. So I've already put this together and I asked it to create me 50 fun t-shirt quote ideas for family and friends during the holidays that start with the phrase Christmas vibes and whatever. You could change yours and do Christmas wishes and, just leave it blank, and it's going to generate, a lot of different things for you, as you can see here. So you just kind of think of something that you want to use, something that kind of goes hand in hand with whatever holiday or whatever theme you're trying to put together. And like within a matter of seconds, really, because this did not take long at all, like maybe a minute or two, it will generate different phrases that you can use for your t-shirts. So what I'm going to do with this list is I am going to copy and paste it over into Google Sheets. And if you just go to Google and type in Google Sheets, you can create an account and you can paste that into Google Sheets just like this. Okay. And this is what we are going to use in Canva. So you have to make some adjustments with this because you only want to keep what you want to bulk create. So if I leave it just like it is, it's going to generate each page exactly as you see it here. And the only thing that I really want to keep is just the last portion of each phrase. So you will have to go in and make some adjustments and delete out all of this over here. So I'm going to do that really quick and then I will come back. So something I want to show you real quick before I do that is picking out some fonts in Creative Fabrica. I do have an affiliate link if there is anyone who is interested. They are doing a special where you can get an extra year for $3.99 a month. And I like to use Creative Fabrica for choosing different fonts or maybe looking for different PNGs, SVGs for t-shirts that I'm designing. And with this, if you have a subscription with them, any font, any image that you use, you do have the commercial license to go with it, so you can sell it. So I love using Creative Fabrica, but whenever I want to look for a special type of font, like, for Christmas, what we're doing now, they have something on here called duo fonts or font duos. And I really wanted to show you guys this in case you wanted to use it. So I'm just going to type in Christmas font duo just so you can see how you can pair different fonts. And these all kind of go hand in hand. And as you can see here, like they're paired really nicely. So I love coming here to look for duo fonts. Like I really like this Hello Christmas. Jolly Christmas is really cute. And they have hundreds and thousands of many different fonts that you can kind of pair whenever you're doing your t-shirt. So I just kind of wanted to throw that out there just so you would know. And, in case you are new to this and you've never heard of Creative Fabrica or you never knew that this was like one of the different fonts that they have. So the one that I'm going to use for this t-shirt design, I'm going to use Hello Christmas. And so if you click on it, it will show you and give you a little preview of how the fonts kind of pair and go hand in hand and what you can use them for. So that's pretty nice to see, just to kind of get an idea of everything. And then it shows you, the upper lowercase, all this, just the different look of each font that's paired with. Okay, so just wanted to throw that out there. Okay, so now that I have made all of my adjustments, I basically just took out the first part of the phrase and left the last for each one of these. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to File, and we are going to download this as a CSV and save it to our desktop. So you'll click up here wherever you're, just so you can see. Here it is. You'll go to File, Save to your desktop. and you're done, right? I've already saved mine, so I'm not going to do it again. So we're going to come back into Canva, and this is where we're going to go ahead and start designing our t-shirts. So I'm going to click on create a design, custom size, and I'm going to do 4,500 by 5,400 in pixels and create. So here is our canvas, and we are going to create our shirt like with all of the elements and things that we would want prior to bringing in the CSV file. So that way, once we generate it, everything will be already set to go. So right here, I'm just going to type in Christmas vibes and put that there. And then, so this is going to be like the baseline. This phrase right here will not change. This will be on every shirt. And then I'm going to duplicate it and put, what did I have for the first one? Mistletoe kisses. I'm going to put that here. This is going to be the part that changes consistently. Okay. And we are going to use the font that we downloaded from Creative Fabrica. I have already downloaded my fonts in here, but just to show you really quick, you click on your text and then you're going to go up here to the font. And if you needed to upload, you would just click right here where it says upload a font, and you would search for your desktop wherever you saved. What was it called? You would search your desktop or your downloads wherever you saved your font. So if this was the font that I was trying to upload, I would just click here, click upload, and just go through the steps. And all of your uploaded fonts would be right here. So the one that I am going to use is called Hello Christmas. I am going to use the script Hello Christmas for this. No, actually, let's go with this one. Just the regular. I'm going to use this one. And then for the bottom portion or the bottom half, I'm going to use the script font just to kind of give it a different look. Okay, so kind of play with the spacing here. I think this is good. Let's leave it like that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change that to red. And then this one, I'm going to do green. And let's bring the spacing in some. I don't really want that much spacing in between. Like that. And I think we're good right there. All right. So now I'm going to go up here to elements, and I am going to type in Christmas. So for this part, I sped it up because I did not want to make this video very long. When it comes to designing, sometimes it takes a little while to kind of get things exactly how you want it. So I basically just went over into elements. I typed in Christmas in the text bar, and I'm just looking for different elements and graphics that I want to add. And as you see here, I'm just kind of moving things around, centering things, and just trying to get a feel for how I want this design to look. So feel free to play with this, tailor it to your liking, and yeah, let's move on to the next step. So you're going to click on the phrase that you're going to use to bulk create, which is going to be mistletoe kisses. And then we're going to come over here to apps, and you're going to type in bulk create. enter. We're going to click right here. And then it's going to ask you to add your data. You can even do it, either do it manually or you can just upload it. And since we've already downloaded, that's what we're going to do. Click upload. And then we're going to search for the file wherever you saved it. Let's see. I believe it's this one right here. Christmas vibes. Upload. And here is your file. So now you will come over here and right click on mistletoe and then come down to connect data. Here's your file. You'll click on that and then you will click continue. And here is all of the different phrases that we downloaded off of Google Sheets. And all you're going to do is click generate. It's going to open up a new tab. And here you will have all 50 of your different t-shirt designs. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so with that, now you might have to go in here and kind of play around with the sizing or move things around, but you have just basically created 50 different t-shirt designs that you can use and tailor towards, you know, your t-shirt business, or, you know, you can use these for so many different things. You can add more graphics and more background. Like if I was going to sell this on a t-shirt, I would definitely add a little more to it. Like I wouldn't just leave it like this, but I just wanted to kind of go through and just give you a general idea of how to bulk create, how to do it. And just so you could see for yourself that, you know, this is not a hard process. It's very simple to do. And yeah, so I hope that you guys learned something out of this tutorial. And I would love to see what you come up with, what questions you have. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any other questions or any other videos that you would like for me to do, please feel free to leave those in the comments. I will try to respond to everyone. But yes, that is basically all I have for today. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications for my next tutorials. You guys have a great day.